2 days are left for physics exam. Like today is 19th of February 2025 and just after 2 days. The only exam of which many students are very nervous about or unconfident about it because they haven't yet prepared it, and if they have prepared for it, so they're a bit nervous that will their struggle which they had made since 1 year will work or not. And you know what? I found the best strategy possible out there on the whole internet and in my life. If you haven't studied anything in your class 12th, and if you want to score the best marks in your physics exam in just 1 day, you know what you will need to do? That is just to give some amount of money to a particular guy or a particular group of people, and then they'll be giving you the exam sheet, the question paper sheet, just 1 day before the exam. And this is the same thing which happened in the exam of physical education. The paper got leaked of physical education 1 day before the physical education exam. The questions, the theme, like everything was same. The asanas, the number of questions, the first question, from first question to the last, everything was same. And you know what? It is not about that after getting the exam sheet, they'll get pass and they will have to suffer in the future. It is about those students who have worked a lot, worked so much just to get that marks, which the marks which the students who have bought these papers they can get from it. And talking about myself, although I haven't also not worked so hard for the exam, I know that I'm not going to do so much good, but I respect the hard work, the dedication, the teachers of PW and all of the teachers putting it into the YouTube, into their batches, so that just a student can score better in their exams, and the students themselves putting hard work and making feel the teachers and their parents proud. And this is one thing which makes us feel like that we are living in a society, the India, where the parents, our relatives, they are forcing us to just get good marks, and there are people who are leaking like the exams just 1 day before and letting the students get good marks. Like, this is the future of India, right? So there is only one thing which I wanted to tell you all through this video, and that is not about going to that link. I will strictly deny to do that. See, if you'll do that, do you have that much money? No. And if you have that much money, there is no advantage. Like, you will be suffering from that because the money is lost and the percentage of getting that paper is very less. And second thing, I got to know about this news from the students who were there in the live stream of uh, Shailendra Pandey sir. And then later I also got recommended the video of Zaki Saudagar sir. He also talked about the same thing and hope so that the authorities will take some action against this. Like the same case which happened with the physical education will also be happening with the physics exam. And physics is not just an exam in which you have to just learn a thing and then later you will forget it. There are many students who are going to opt this side and going to do better for India only in future by joining the different kind of jobs, using their creativity to make something good, to develop the country. And this is not how we should let our country get down for just a bit of money. This is not for everyone, but for the people who are not working for the welfare of their country or who are against the welfare of the country. I hope that you will be sharing this news to your friends, to your parents, to and try to reach this news to the big authorities